XTB versus Trading 212. Which trading platform wins? Trying to pick between XTB and Trading 212 for your trading or investment needs? Whether you're starting out or diving deeper, choosing the right platform makes a huge difference. Today, we'll compare their tools, features, fees, and strengths to help you decide which one takes the crown. So let's start with XTB. XTB is a publicly traded brokerage firm based in Poland, offering global access to Forex, CFDs, stocks, ETFs, commodities, and cryptocurrencies. It's well regulated, FCA, SISEC, KNF, and more, and packed with advanced tools in its proprietary XStation 5 platform. Trading 212 is a UK-based fintech broker with commission-free trading on stocks and ETFs, intuitive web and mobile platforms, and a rapidly growing user base of around 4.5 million users. For the feature comparisons, XTB is regulated by multiple top-tier bodies, publicly listed for transparency. Trading 212 is regulated by FCA, SISEC, ASIC. It's solid but not publicly listed. In terms of assets offered, XTB has over 3,500 stocks, 350 ETFs, 45 cryptos, 70 forex pairs, indices, and commodities. Trading 212 has over 9,000 stocks, 100 ETFs, 25 cryptos, forex, indices, and commodities. In terms of platforms and tools, XTB has XStation 5 along with advanced charting, more than 30 indicators, and customizable interface. Trading 212 has a clean, beginner-friendly UI platform with simplicity prioritized. In terms of fees and spreads, XTB has low spreads and sometimes €0 commissions, includes modest inactivity fees and occasional withdrawal ones. Trading 212 has commission-free stock and ETF trades and FX conversion fees of around 0.15%. In terms of education and analysis, XTB has excellent educational support with webinars, market news, and mentorship. Trading 212 has basic tutorials, investor dictionary, and community forum resources. And now for the pros and cons. XTB is very well regulated and publicly traded with great transparency. It has a wide asset range, including crypto and advanced CFD options. It has a powerful platform and rich educational resources, ideal for serious traders. However, the platform complexity may overwhelm beginners, especially compared to simpler apps. Inactivity or withdrawal restrictions may apply. For Trading 212, its pros include being super easy to use, with zero commission on stocks and ETFs. It has no minimal deposit, great for casual or new investors, and offers ISA accounts and high interest on uninvested cash, an AER of around 4.9%. However, it has limited analytic tools and charting, less suited for advanced technical traders, and it's not publicly listed, and fewer educational resources. So, which platform wins? Choose XTB if you're an active trader or investor who values platform depth, regulatory transparency, diverse asset access, and learning support. Choose Trading 212 if you're a beginner or casual investor looking for hassle-free, commission-free stock trades and a super accessible interface. For many, using both could make sense. XTB for deep trading, Trading 212 for simple equity investing and ease of use. So which trading platform are you using? Let us know in the comments. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more honest comparisons, and see you in the next video.